This signing of a memorandum of understanding between the Finance Ministry through the Ministry of Finance Incorporated, Federal Housing Authority, Family Homes Funds, and other partners signaled a new era in home ownership opportunities for Nigerians, marking the first tranche of a 250 investment fund under the phase 1 of the project. In this first phase, the initial investment is estimated at 150 billion naira, serving as seed funding to provide affordable mortgage financing and generate housing units for Nigerians. Minister of Finance and Coordinating Minister of the Economy, Wale Edu, explained that the initiative seeks to provide low-cost and long-term mortgage financing to eligible Nigerians, particularly pension account holders with tenures of up to 25 years at 11 to 12%.
The Murphy Real Estate Investment Fund is here to provide tenures of up to, let's say, 20, 25 years, and to provide blended finance that will mean that Nigerians will be able to borrow for rates of, let's say, because these are things that are market determined and it changes from time to time, but let's say maybe 11, 12% or thereabouts, which is a far cry from over 30% that they face now.
It provides a chance for Nigerians to actually own homes that becomes a multi-generational wealth that they can transfer to their children and their great-grandchildren. Today symbolizes a ceremony to kickstart that process and to show government's commitment and investment into this program of 150 billion naira that will activate that in Series 1 of this 1 trillion naira fund size.
According to the ministry, the fund will leverage pension funds, capital market resources, and other reliable financial instruments to deliver affordable housing solutions. Senator Ahmed Aliyu Wadada, chairman of the Senate Committee on Public Accounts, and other partners hailed the initiative as a milestone in Nigeria's approach to addressing housing challenges.
This, of course, depicts what the government of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu stand for. Renewed hope. Of course, a people cannot have the life they are desirous of or required of without having accommodation for themselves.
This brings down the question of affordability. It minimizes the difficulties that Nigerians face in acquiring housing units. So that is it. It liberalizes it. It supports home ownership.
The fund is being managed by ARM. STL trustees are the trustees. And the fund seeks to do two things. One, make available funding for the origination of mortgages by eligible financial institutions. Those are commercial banks and mortgage banks at scale to Nigerians, has been explained. Secondly, to offer off-take guarantees to developers that meet set criteria seeking to deliver housing units upon which mortgages will be issued.
Nigeria's housing sector is facing a shortage of affordable homes, pushing millions of desperate citizens into slums and informal settlements. According to the National Bureau of Statistics, the country faces a housing deficit of approximately 28 million units. Meanwhile, stakeholders in the housing sector are optimistic that an initiative such as this, if well implemented, will address the long-standing issue in the housing sector. Frank Omalape, Arise News.